Hi everyone, welcome to another World of Engineering videos. Today I'm gonna talk about the battery life of a few devices, and they don't have the same function, but all of these that you see here, you can charge your phone or tablets or whatever with it, have that function. And I think it would be a good relative comparison, see how much storage basically you have. Now I'm going to start with the JBL Charge 2 Plus. This is a portable speaker, and which is splash proof and with Bluetooth and also 3.5 audio cable. So with that I tested this number of times. And because I wanted to have a test that constants give you a good comparison result, I used the LG G3 phones for charging as basically as load. So I could charge the LG G3, which has a 3000 milliamp battery, 1.5 times with this, and that's the USB output where you charge your devices with it, and that's the micro USB and how you charge this. So I could charge my LG G3 1.5 times, and the battery life of this, the playback when you play music, is about 10 to 12 hours, which is pretty good. It's a bit heavy, but has a very strong bass, I would say. The bass is very strong. So if you're after something with a bit weaker bass, this is maybe not your choice. Now, so that's one down with this here. The second device is the Noco Genius device, and this is the GB40 model. And basically, the main purpose of this is to jump start your car with it. And this is an American design, but obviously, like everything else, this is made in China. And it comes with the very good quality cams, all copper inside. And I'm not going through that because I'm not doing a review on this, but that's what's in it. This is, I think, IP68 rated, so it's got all these caps, so don't worry about water and dust. You charge it from here, and you can charge your devices from here, from this USB. That's a micro USB, and this is the output to jumpstart your car. Now with this, it's interesting. This thing can jumpstart your car when it's fully charged, 200%, 2 or 3 times. But I could only charge my phone like this one 1.5 times. So these two are similar. The batteries in it. Also, it has a light here with a few modes of strobe and intensity light. Let's do the load test on the Noco Boost GB40. So the USB output, I'll put this in the way, and need to turn it on. It's on now. I think the plug, it doesn't let the this one go in enough, so I'm gonna use this adapter and zoom out a bit. Okay, let's get a focus. 4.6 volt and charging at 1.7 amp. That's not very promising. Okay, so that's the Noco one, that's the charging. So it puts less current, so longer charge time with the Noco brand. Third one, which is something that's purposely built for that, it's the Mi, the brand Mi, which is some call it Xiaomi or Xiaomi brand, and this one is basically, I have this open as well here. This is the biggest size that they sell. It's 16,000 milliamp battery inside, whereas this one has a 6,000 milliamp battery, lithium ion. The reason I purchased this, it's a Chinese company, Xiaomi, but the things they use inside it, it's very high quality. For example, the batteries, it says here, it's they're using Samsung batteries. Sorry, this one is LG batteries, and so basically they have 6 batteries in here in parallel, and also the chip they use, that converts the power, it's very efficient. And with this, which is very heavy, I would say almost same weight as this JBL portable speaker. With this, I could charge my LG G3 4.5 times, which is really good. And I paid about $30 for this, or 30 USD. Now I've got another one here, which is, this is a no-name Chinese no brand thing, battery bank. Interestingly, it says 20,000 milliamp. That's the rating on it, and it has 2 USB output, and you got the micro USB for charging it, and also it has a LED. So this thing, when I bought it initially, it could charge my phone with 2.5 times, but it started dramatically reducing, and now it cannot even turn on the batteries in it. I will open this up, show you what's in it, and basically get an idea of how these things works. And something important when you want to purchase one of these battery banks or something to charge your phone is one of the abilities is you should be able to charge your device while this one or this one is being charged as well. And this Xiaomi one, this does the job. So you can charge this and at the same time charge 2 more of your devices. And this is the button here, and that's the indicator. So now it says, basically it flashes all 4 lights, 100% full. And actually, although this is some not very well-known brand and it's Chinese, they also a fake one of these as well around, I've seen. And they say you can tell it if it's a fake or not, first of all with the box, which is a very simple box. It has this sticker on it, which you scratch and you see the serial number, and then you can go to the website and enter the serial number, and it will tell you if it's genuine. I couldn't do that. I think the website was in Chinese and Mandarin or whatever, but it seemed genuine. The second way to say this is genuine, you look at if you look closely here, you can basically see the quality of the USB female USB ports, and basically distance from here, and even here the way they lasered all the specification and everything. The quality, you can see the quality. It's like Apple products, you can see the quality, and it's aluminium, solid aluminium one. Alright, let's do the load test on this Xiaomi load bank, the 16,000 one. So I'm just gonna insert this in, and then I'm gonna use my Samsung S7 for charging. Just make this there, and this should be automatic. Okay, so that is charging. Just wanna check the battery status. It says charging AC. Now if I just zoom in here, see the value. Okay, so it's 4.87 volt, 1 amp. The other port, same. So I'm gonna enable the fast charging. I know that probably won't work because in the fast charging my voltage will go to 9-10 volt. And so I'll take this out. And fast charging is already enabled. Oh, okay. Enter it back in again. Focus. So, yep, 1.2 now. Alright. So just try to open this one. It doesn't have any screws or anything. Alright, perfect. Just take this out. The first thing you see, there are five batteries, and they're all connected in parallel. They give you that 4.2 volt. It's a lithium-ion battery. And looking at here, they're using a look closer. If it focuses, it's called Enshine CDD5A30911. I entered. I will write it down below the video in the specification of this chip. That's the charging chip, basically. So looking at what makes these basically what makes a good battery power bank or these portable batteries, the most expensive part is the batteries, and you can just this is a no name, and what it is, it says 20,000. That means there are 5 of here. Each of these batteries should be 4,000 milliamp capacity, which is not true at all. I mean, I don't think there are this size lithium-ion batteries with 4,000 milliamp capacity. So the batteries are dead. I mean, what you can do, probably you can buy a good Panasonic lithium-ion batteries and replace it with those and connect these two wires. But the second bit is the charging chip that is used. Here, the efficiency of this, I'm not sure about the efficiency of this one, but what I do know is this one doesn't allow you to charge these batteries and at the same time charge your own device from here. So that's one negative. So that's that. So with this, just do a quick review probably. There are a lot of reviews on that GB40. They have a GB30 version as well, and I think 70. I bought it just recently and I tried it once and it basically fried and stopped working and I couldn't start the car with it. Anyway, uh, looked it looks good, the quality and everything, but it didn't work for me. And this portable speaker, I did a lot of research on the speakers, and this was the best one that I could buy because you can answer phone with it, and three devices can connect to this at the same time, and it is very powerful, very powerful. Yeah.